In this video, we're going to compare three major money transfer platforms. So Lemfi or Lemfi, Remitly, and Wise. So by the end, you'll know their strengths, weaknesses, and which one might work best for your needs. So let's start with the Lemfi or Lemfi. So Lemfi is a fintech platform that focuses on fast and affordable international transfers, especially from countries like the US, UK, Canada, and parts of Europe to Africa, Asia, and Europe. Many transfers have a zero fees and competitive exchange rates, making it especially appealing for diaspora communities. It's fully licensed in the US, UK, and Canada, and transfer can be near instant in supported corridors. Next, we have the Remitly. So Remitly, founded in 2011, Remitly offers money transfer to over 170 countries. It's known for the reliability, transparency, and multiple delivery options, including bank deposit, cash pickup, and a mobile money. Remitly gives you a clear breakdown of fees and delivery times before you send, plus a delivery guarantee or your fees are refunded. And finally, we have the Wise. So Wise, formerly TransferWise. So Wise is best known for its mid-market exchange rates with a low upfront fees. It supports over 160 countries and more than 40 currencies. Wise is especially useful for a bank-to-bank transfer and for people who want to hold multiple currencies in a single account. While transfer may take a longer in some cases, the savings on rates are significant. So, what's the difference between these three? So, Lamfi often wins for speed and cost in supported countries, especially for Africa and Asia, while Remitly offers a global reach and flexibility for how your recipient gets the money. Wise is an excellent for transparent pricing and currency conversion, especially if you transfer large amounts or need a multi currency account. So, if you need a fast, low cost transfers to specific countries, go with the Lemfi. But if you want a wide global coverage and a different delivery methods, Remitly is a safe choice. And if exchange rate transparency is your top priority and you don't mind waiting a bit, Wise might be the best for you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.